When Kanye West said that he wanted to give or at least make Yeezys available for everybody, the guy wasn't joking. What is up, YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to check out how I was able to cop another Yeezy without lining up, without joining raffles, literally just walking in the store, picking one up, hours after the drop happened. Let's go. Now, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, now that we've hit 100,000 subscribers, we have officially unlocked the giveaway for the Supreme body bag sponsored by Shoe Freak PH, as well as that giant Acer monitor down there. To be able to join, I'll put the link down below. You have to click it. You have to subscribe to the channel. You have to follow me on Instagram. You have to hit the notification bell. So go. Before we get to the talking about the Yeezys and stuff, I just want to do a quick unboxing of this swag bag. I was actually invited by the good folks over at Twitter Philippines to be part of their panel for one of their events here in the Philippines, and they gave this swag bag to me. So I just want to take a look at what's inside with you guys. So first up, we have this nice looking box. So let's just pop it. Ooh, it is the Twitter logo of the bird, and it just says here, Twitter presents this plaque of appreciation to Arlo Ople. That's me. Thank you for sharing your valuable time and knowledge with us. November 8th, Ascot BGC, hashtag start with Twitter. Cool. We also have a Twitter water bottle. What's up? Ooh, this is interesting. We also have, it has the Twitter logo there. And what's inside? I have a feeling, right feeling. We have metal straws and the straw cleaner. Of course, it's in the color of Twitter with blue. And yeah, metal straws, save the environment, all that good stuff. But yeah, thank you to the awesome people at Twitter Philippines and Media Donuts for having me over. Francis, Tisha, Tina, maraming salamat. God bless you guys. And I hope you guys hit your targets and you do well for 2018 and especially 2019. In my time doing YouTube, sneaker YouTube, I've copped a lot and I bought a lot of Yeezys. And the first two Yeezys that I was able to get for retail was the Yeezy 500 Supermoon Yellow, which I was able to buy from the website of Adidas when it dropped here in the Philippines, as well as the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Butter. The 350 V2 Boost Butter, I was able to win via a raffle over at Soul Academy. Check them out, fantastic store over at BGC. The third Yeezy that I was able to buy for retail was this one. This is the Yeezy 700 Mauve. Now, this is a pretty interesting story, guys, because literally, I just walked inside the store, I asked the guys, hey, is there anything new? And the sales lady and the sales guy just said, hey, we have new Yeezys and they're just on the shelf. And I'm like, what? Yeezys on the shelf? And that's exactly what happened. It was just sitting there. Nobody was picking it up. And yeah, I just walked up to it, asked them if they had my size, and they said yes. So I ended up copying this one for retail. Now, obviously, I switched the laces. I did a full review of this one, link down below. I even compared it with the OG Yeezy 700 Wave Runner. So again, this was the first Yeezy that I ended up just going to the store, nonchalantly without any intent of buying a Yeezy and just finding it there, sitting there, and I was able to buy it for retail. Now, yesterday, I had a meeting over at Up Town Mall BGC. I knew that the Yeezy 350 Boost Zebra was dropping again, or the restock was happening, but I didn't really want to go through the hassle of joining raffles or lining up overnight, especially since I saw the pictures of people already lining up the night before for the Yeezy 350 V2 Boost Zebras over at Up Town Mall BGC. And I've heard horror stories of how, people would be just able to cop multiple pairs by paying different kind of people to line up for them. And all of that stuff. Now, I won't get into that discussion. That's for another vlog. That's for another video. But my main point was, this was, I think, late in the afternoon. So it was already hours past when they started selling the Yeezy over at Adidas Up Town Mall BGC. I literally just walked in the store, went inside, and the nice lady at the front of the store asked me, hey, do you want to buy a Yeezy? We still have pairs. And I'm like, what? Seriously? Sure. So again, no line, no raffles, no nothing, no text, no special treatment. I just walked inside. And yeah, sure. My original plan was actually to buy the Beavis and Butthead like sneaker for like 3,000 pesos and review it here or give it away. But anyway, so yeah, so I ended up going inside and lo and behold, they had it in my size. This is the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Zebra, the restock version. And you know what happened? Why it was so much easier to be able to cop this? Because Adidas Philippines enforced a rule that you can only buy what's your size. And they actually were very strict about it. They would actually measure your feet. They would ask you to take off your shoes so that they can actually measure your real foot size, and you can only buy the shoe that is exactly your size, one pair. And what happened was, they actually disqualified a lot of people who lined up the night before because they either lied about their size or they were even wearing like bigger shoes than what their feet were actually were. So that's the reason why it was easier to cop, because the people who actually wanted to buy just for themselves were the ones that were entertained by Adidas Philippines over at Uptown Mall BGC. So kudos. Congratulations, Adidas Philippines. You restored my faith in you guys and as well as in your brand. I actually felt that you wouldn't do anything about it because money is still money. So clearly it shows that you care about your customers, you care about your real customers, you care about the people who want to buy it, to wear it. Yeah, I'm just thankful. And congratulations, guys. You rock. So enough blabbering. Let's just do a quick unboxing for this shoe. I am excited. So let's just pop it open. Woohoo! Nothing beats the smell of new shoes, really. I mean, seriously, guys. Nothing beats the smell of new sneakers. And here we have it. This is the Yeezy 350 Boost Zebra, size 12.5, brand new, dead stock. Look at that Boost, pristine white. No dirt whatsoever. You still have the tag, you have the zebra stripes. Quick story, this pair was actually my first pair ever of Yeezys. Well, you guys know that I already had like a pair of this one. This is my second zebra pair. I even gave away like another zebra pair in partnership with Shoe Freak PH. So this will be my second pair of zebras, and I'm just thrilled to be able to get this. I have add another one, at least like it's a backup pair. But yeah, it's not every day that you get to cop Yeezys for retail, right? So, whew, that was just awesome. You know why this is doubly special for me, a double special for me? Because I bought my first zebras for resale value. I can't even remember the price, but I knew it was a crazy price. It was a ridiculous overpriced number, but I was happy and I enjoyed the pair. I used it and it was enjoyable for me. But now fast forward today, being able to cop it for like 11,000 something pesos makes me think, why did I do that? Patience is key when it comes to the shoe game, guys. At the end of the day, they will eventually restock. They will eventually sell more because they need to make money. So just wait. Before we end the vlog, I just want to do a quick shout out. I actually met up with James Sneaker Cleaning Service. I'll put a link down below to their Instagram account where they accept orders for picking up sneakers, cleaning them, and then giving them back to you. I had my off-white OG Blazers cleaned. This is the sneaker now. It looks absolutely pristine. It smells new. It smells brand new. It is friggin' amazing. And I just want to take it out of the plastic and share it with you guys before we end the video. Man, they did an excellent job. This was really This was really beat up with scuff marks all over it. The foam originally was a bit dirty. Whoa, it smells fantastic, man. They did an excellent job in cleaning this pair up. Even the outsole looks fantastic. So yeah, guys, if you're looking for like a professional cleaner for your sneakers and you don't want to go to a store to have them cleaned, you want your sneakers picked up and then cleaned and then sent back to your house, delivered back to your house after the cleaning service, check them out. I'll put the link down below to their Instagram account. James, maraming salamat, bro. I appreciate the service. I appreciate how you clean this one. It looks freaking amazing. I will be wearing this tomorrow. Bro, salamat, peace, God bless you. So yeah guys, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you liked the story of the Yeezy. Always remember, patience is key. Eventually something better will come along, or what you've been waiting for will actually just come along without you having to pay resale. I'm actually a bit worried now because, as you guys know, I collected the 10 OG of Off-White, and I paid a pretty penny. I paid an incredible price for a lot of the pairs that I own now. I'm worried that eventually Nike would like retro the heck out of all of those pairs, and I would see all the prices go down. So this Yeezy thing is making me a bit uneasy. But anyway, Yeezy uneasy. But anyway, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram. Hit the notification bell so you can be part of our raffle for the Supreme body bag and the Acer 23-24-inch monitor. I will be drawing the winners this coming next Sunday. So make sure that you are part of the pool, because you don't lose anything. So just subscribe and join the fam. And before we finally end, as you guys saw in my previous video, I had the cat like all over me. My cat Cleo actually bit a little bit into my arm with her claws, so it scratched a bit. I was looking for a spray or alcohol, and I remembered something that DJ Big Boy Cheng and Sir Melton, anti-shoe expert, gave to me. This is the limited edition Secret Fresh alcohol with quotation marks. So they gave me a pack of this one. I was able to use it. This is like the most hype alcohol spray that you can ever had, which is a joint product between the companies of DJ Big Boy Cheng, which is Secret Fresh, and Sir Melton, the guy who actually made the oil for the spray of this particular product. So Sir Melton, DJ Big Boy, maraming salamat po. Nagamit ko na siya. So yeah guys, I hope you're all having a fantastic week, and God bless, peace, wasa, boom!